Remember, no more than 5% of this stuff, you'll chase them away. Now I live out here in the desert where it's dry and stuff evaporates pretty quickly. My mistake was I started my process in the morning. So the sun was beating down on my ant poison that I had out there kind of spread around. And it dried it out. A little hint I'm trying to tell you, keep your ant poison wet. Being as this is a dessicant, it will dry out your poison after a while. If it starts to dry out, pull it away, put in some more water, slurp it up a little bit. Ants still love it.
I'm going to mix up some stuff here. Boric acid roach killer and some old McDonald's McDonald's that is old and aged maple syrup. And I'm going to mix them together on this little stick here.
I'm here this morning with to clarify some things on my last YouTube video that was how to kill an fire ant mound. Here I am. I'm gonna show you where these ants are and how I deal with them, because apparently people have big mounds. They just pour boiling water down them or gas and they'll never come back. Well, okay, let's pour oil in the ground and gas on the ground, and let's pour antifreeze down there too. Yeah, of course, chase it down with some water. Maybe it'll get down into the water table.
Remember, these are amdro resistant ants. Even just regular old table syrup might work. Oh, what's going on? Yeah, they're going to get a little taste. Now what they're going to do is they're going to run around. They're going to go, holy crap, what the hell is this stuff? It's burning. Then the other ants go, what the hell you got on your legs, man? Hey, where'd you go? Oh, rad. See him? Putting this right up and kind of put it down on the ground. They're all going to be like, whoa, earthquake, what's going on? This is going to take, probably 12 hours for them to really be like, holy crap. And because this acid takes a few minutes to start working on them. Just piss them off, get a few of them in there. And they're like, wow, what's everybody slurping on? See how quick that happened? They just ignored the foreign object until everybody started going to it. So maybe that's what you have to do. I don't like to pester them too much, because when you pester them too much, then they kind of get scared and they're wary of what the new thing is that's hanging out there. That's why I like to use a natural board. Now, if you're concerned about your pets, okay, I'm just doing this face up for a reason, so you guys can see it. If you guys are concerned about your pets, turn it over. Turn it upside down. The ants still get to it. Turn it upside down, put a little rock under it so it's, kind of, ants can get to it, right? But the dogs can't. Dig a little hole out, piss them off, put it on upside down over the little hole, and they'll crawl up to it, and still, ants can crawl upside down. They do it all the time. There you go, people. Proven fact. You've seen it from beginning to end here. Now, these ants extend way, probably, 20 yards beyond the fence. Walking right around the amdro. See, little crystals right there? See? Oh, that amdro. Now, all these ants are going to go back and tell the rest of their buddies, and it's going to spread like fire water. Now, stand by for my next video, in which you'll see all these guys around here scrambling around like crazy because they get really pissed off and it takes a long time for them to die. All right. Well, I kind of see them kind of crawling up on me. It looks like they're probably kind of pissed off already. So I'm going to fade out here to my, let's see, widen out here. Get out of my zoom face. All right, there we go.
The desert artist here. You guys have fun with this ant killing stuff. is very useful. It takes out the entire colony.
And what I used maple syrup. Pure maple syrup because it's got the most fragrance. Nothing more natural, flavorful than maple syrup. A little bit of this maple syrup here, poured out on a board. 99% boric acid that you can get in any convenience store or any drug store. Just a roach killer. Shake some down there. What we're doing is just making this up into a nice little paste here. Make sure it's worked in nice and smooth so none of them big old blobs are in there. I'm going to put just a little bit more in there just because, well, I like to put a little fresh fragrance right on top. Smear it around the board there and let it, when the ants start eating this thing, every last one of them in the nest is going to come out and get it. Boy, them fire ants get really pissed off when they get burned from the inside. This is like a really spicy meal. You might want to evacuate the premises if it's anywhere near your home.
Remember, no more than 5%.